Hey, what's up, guys? It's Lifted Design here, bringing you guys my text tutorial. It's really nice, basic text I like to do. So let's get into this. And this series is going to be called Tutorial Thursdays. I did kind of like copy my friend Lo. His name is Tutorial Tuesday. You know what, Lo? I took Tutorial Thursday. So the first thing I like to do when I make text is I like to save it before you render it. So I have a folder called render text, is where I'm going to render my text today. I'm going to say tut, tut. Oh my gosh. Oh well, whatever. Alright. I'm going to add a, we're going to go to MoGraph, and you're going to add a Mo text, like usual. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to your object. Well, actually make sure your chord is 0 for your position Z. Sorry my voice, guys. Like, I don't know what's up with. You're going to type in your text. I usually like to do all caps depending on the font I'm using. Usually it's all caps. And I'm going to put the depth up to 200. Alright, and I'm going to go to font. I'm going to add a, let's do Harabar, I think it's called. Yeah, like this. And what we're going to do is go to caps, fillet cap. Put your steps to 2. And your radius to 2. You want to put your end fillet cap, and you want to put your steps to 1, and your radius to 2. And then what you're going to do, guys, is I'm going to move this up a little bit. Alright, make sure this is on. One second, sorry guys, checking something there. Okay, so now, one second, let me zoom back in. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we are going to add a dark gray, which is the weirdest one I use right here. I'm going to show you guys the settings. First, I want to put your color to a dark gray. You're going to add a reflection to put the brightness to 2 to 3%. Put a Fresnel on it. Put the mix strength 8%. You can pause this, by the way, guys. You want to add a bump, and you want to put the strength to 10%. Make sure MIP fall off is checked. Go to texture, and you're going to add noise. Alright. And keep specular on. Alright. So basically it's really basic, and you're just going to drag it on the text. Really basically. And we're just going to run this out. This is not the full part of it, guys, don't worry. Alright, it rendered fast because I already had a bunch of takes in this tutorial, like you see here. Different stuff. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go and open the file in Photoshop. I created a little basic little document in here. And, where the... Alright. Okay, I can't find the text right now. I'm just going to use the one. It's the same exact settings because I use it every time. So I'm going to my GFX. Rendered text. It's the same exact settings and everything we used. So I'm gonna drag this in. Yes, look how ugly that looks, guys. I know. We're gonna drag it into our untitled document or your background, whatever. For this case, it's untitled document. I like it pretty smaller. I think it looks better if it's smaller. Hold shift when you're adjusting your image size, guys. It makes it look a lot better. Alright, and that looks fine. And now what we're gonna do, guys, is we're simply gonna just put it wherever, you know. Alright, and we're going to take out this color correction. We are going to right click it, go to blending options, or by double clicking on it, and we're simply going to add a drop shadow. Put the blend mode, keep it on multiply, or we put on normal, 100%, distance 0, spread 30, size 20. And then what we're going to do is we're adding an inner glow. Make your color either white or any other color basically. You want to do like a pink if you really wanted to. But in this case, I'm going to do a white. No, actually, I'm going to do it a blue. Just, here, I'm going to show you guys what it does. Actually, let's keep it white. I'll show you after what it does if you make it into a color. Put the blend mode as an overlay. 100% opacity. And put your size to 10. Basically what it does, it gives you like a nice effect up there on the top. And we're going to add, for the last part, a gradient overlay. I usually make my scale to 150. I think it makes it look a lot better. So, and then put it to an overlay. And then what we're going to do is we add go to Control U to bring up the hue and saturation. Go to colorize, make that checked. Put your saturation to 80. And you just want to select the color. And I'll just put it on yellow. Alright. Now I'm going to show you guys what it does if you made the inner glow the color of the text. So, bring it to a yellow. As you see there, it makes it a little bit darker. I mean, I just have to keep it on white. But that gives like a more like yellowish glow. But I like to keep it on white. Okay. Now, a lot of people like ask me, can you add textures to this? Usually I don't, but I can show you what it looks like with texture on it and see what time we're at. Oh no, we're at 6 minutes, but it does look like with the texture, but this is really nice text that I like to use, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this. It does look pretty good with like gradient maps on it and such. See, it looks pretty nice. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I love you all, and I'm out.